These seats came from a 71 Chevelle. I don't have one, the original one. I actually took it out because it was completely torn apart. So I got new seats here. Basically, like I said, they came out of 71 Chevelle. They do actually lean forward. So these actually lean forward because it was supposed to be on a 2-door, not a 4-door, but still works, you know. Alright, as you can see in the back here, I actually had left the battery and it started leaking because I left it for a couple days in the back and it was just sitting there. So it started leaking acid and it was just eating up all of the carpet and it was just breaking loose. I mean, it got really bad and I really didn't want to touch it. That's the main reason why I want to change it to a new carpet, because of that. The back area, I'm planning on actually painting that back part, or getting like something like a wood or to cover it up and make it look better. But for right now, maybe just gonna paint it. The back seats is actually the original. It looks pretty decent. It's not ripped, it's not torn apart, so it's pretty in good shape. Original dashboard. We got the stereo. Need to change the carpet. That's what I'm actually going to be working on next, is doing the carpet, as you guys can see. So yeah, this is pretty much the inside. Hey guys, so I mean, right here we have the 1972 Chevelle 4-door seats, that the original ones that came with it. As you can see right here, it's coming apart. So we actually switched off to 1971 Chevelle 2-door seats. I got it at a good price, so you know, decided to go with that. Right here is just basically the leather is stretching out. As I was sitting on, as you can see right here, the stitch pretty much just broke loose and came apart over here as well. The stitch, you can see it's coming apart, so it's all bad and, you know, old. So that's why the reason why I got rid of those seats and put the 71 Chevelle seats on it, because I got it for a good price and a deal on it. I was gonna put these actually as the seats on it, but I had to do modification to be able to actually, you know, have a perfect fit and able to move those, you know, back and forward. It was just a little bit more money, and then I got a good price on the 71's seats, so I was just like, might as well put those for right now. I don't know, maybe later on I'll put the SS seats on it. I'm not sure, who knows. We'll probably put them in another car. We'll stay tuned on that and see what happens. So right now we're actually going to pull out the carpet that's sitting over there. That's a new carpet, and this is the one that we're going to be putting inside the 4-door Chevelle. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to lay it down on these tables and then try to get the creases out. Since it's been folded, it was on a box and it was, you know, shipped out over here. It is going to be creased up, and I just want to make sure it's flat, so when I lay it down on the Chevelle, I won't have any creases and stuff like that, and it's going to fit perfectly. So yeah, just go ahead and do that. Tell the bitch pull up. My nigga Tito came through.
Tell the bitch pull up.
So bro, shit. Ready for this?
Hell yeah.
I already took the back seat off. I'm trying to vacuum that shit. Oh, you haven't seen the new carpet?
No. I haven't seen that one.
Yeah, it's I already took the bolts out, all the screws. All we gotta do is take the seat out.
Okay.
And then take the old carpet and put the new one on. Just like that. Just like that.
You got bolts and all that?
Huh?
Like the bolts and all the screws and
I already took all of them. So
Oh,
a bunch of screws.
So you have them?
There's all those screws right there.
That's the ones that you're gonna put them back?
Yeah, take these ones out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I took all this shit out.
Time to bring this bitch back. There you go.
This is the one we're gonna put in.
Oh, the one you talking about?
So you see the little hairs right here? That's the thing I'm trying to take off with the vacuum. I think it came from the warehouse and shit. So
What if we put it on and then you just vacuum it?
might as well easy to vacuum right now.
Sure. I mean, it's not gonna pick up no dust again.
Well, I mean, I can vacuum the rest of it. Just trying to get it so all the little areas I can't get with the vacuum,
Yeah.
like underneath,
side.
yeah.
They on?
On this shit. Say what's up to my YouTube video. My nigga Ugo though. Eating them fries. It's Friday. French Friday, you know. What's up, Diego? Who is you? Who is you, bro? Jared's son.
What about Danny's son?
Just dropped my fries, so they got their fries, but I dropped mine to the floor. Lost it. Finally got this bitch done. Got all the holes for the seats, for the belt. Got everything installed. Got everything flushed in already. Now we just gotta put in the.
Change it.
Huh?
I changed it.
Oh, show. Now we just gotta install the seat. Ready for the. Oh yeah. You see it. Alright, so this is the old carpet here. Very old and ugly. Got the new one installed, all finished. Brand new, fresh carpet. The backside was a little hard to do, but we got it done. As you can see, the curbs and all that shit's a little harder to do, but it looks better than it was before, and absolutely it looked A1. So you see it. It's the project of the day today. Got it all done. Took me a little while, but got everything installed. My nigga Ramon pulled up.
I guess we let you
Say what's up to my YouTube channel.
That's fucked up, bro.
We live.
Right, why you putting me on YouTube?
You on YouTube, bro?
The return.
Hey, you would have got hella views on that shit. Would have been.
Bro, we would have been since 2009 till right now. That's 10 years in the game, nigga. We would have been more than David Dobrik, if you know who that is. Who? David Dobrik. David? Oh, that's a dude who